In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify Theme Editor. By the end, you'll feel comfortable navigating the editor, customizing sections, and safely saving your work so your storefront looks polished on both desktop and mobile. First, head to shopify.com and log in. You can sign in with your email or use one of the available single sign-on options. After you're in your admin dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and choose Online Store. This opens your themes area where your work on your storefronts look and feel. Select Edit Theme to open the theme editor. This is where all the visual changes happen in real time with a preview on the right and your controls on the left. Before you start tweaking content, switch between desktop and mobile views using the device icons near the top. Designs that look great on a large screen can feel cramped on a phone, so check spacing, headings, and button sizes in both views as you go. On the left, you'll see your page's sections stacked from top to bottom. Each section represents a visible block on your page like a banner, featured products, or a newsletter sign-up. Click a section to open its settings. You can usually reorder sections by dragging them up or down, which is a quick way to improve the flow of your homepage without rewriting anything. When you open a section, adjust its individual settings. This might include editing text, swapping images, linking buttons, choosing which collection to display, adjusting layout options like padding, or updating colors and typography to match your brand. Keep your copy concise, add meaningful alt text to images, and use consistent button labels to guide visitors clearly. If you need something new, add a section using the Add Section option, then pick a layout that fits your goal, like testimonials for social proof or a collection list to highlight categories. Preview how it looks on both devices before you commit. Aim for a balanced page. Too many sections can slow loading and dilute your message. If something isn't needed, you can hide a section so it stays available for later, or remove it to delete it entirely. Hiding is great for seasonal content or A/B style testing. When you're happy, click Save. Unsaved changes won't appear to shoppers, so save regularly. Use undo and redo if you make a mistake, and quickly recheck both desktop and mobile views after saving to confirm everything lines up. If you're editing a draft theme, your changes will stay in that draft until it's published. If you're editing the live theme, your saved updates go live right away. And that's how you use the Shopify Theme Editor with confidence.